Hello traders, it's your one and only skill coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this. So today in this video, I want to answer a specific question that oftentimes people ask me when they want before they join BB Gold Miner. They ask me questions like, how does BB Gold Miner trade when the market is in a range? Because one of the ways we make money is when the market is actually in a trend. That's when we make good money in the market. But now the question is, when it's in a range, how does it trade? Is there a tendency to lose money or to blow my account or this or that? So today in this video, you will learn and understand how the robot trades even during a ranging period. So if you observe, this is a 1 hour time frame, so you can see the range that we've been experiencing here. If I check from here, then you could see that that's from the 2nd of April. Okay, from the 2nd of April all the way to today. So the market has just been ranging within this zone. So let me show you how the robot actually trades when the market is in a range. If we go straight to my history, this is actually my Naira account. If you observe today, there's been little profit on a norms. This is not how the robot trades. Okay, let me show you. If I go to the months, you would see how the robot actually trades on a normal day. You could see below profit of 300,000 plus. Okay, look how the robot trades on a normal day. 44,000. That's the normal regular TP. If you observe, you would see BB Gold Miner version 3 XAUUSD 9 TP because it hits a TP. So when the when the trade hits the TP set by the robot, this is how much I'm expected to make on a 0.01 lot size. Remember, it's a Naira account. So in a ranging market, you would observe something here in a ranging market. You could see how much it makes on a ranging market, just little, right? 1,000, 1,006 here. And if we also go here, you could see 1,007. You could see here today, the trade of today, 1,006, 1,007. The profit is little. But I want to also show you the losses. Okay, I want you to observe how it trades during a ranging market when price doesn't go in favor. Look at the losses. Very little loss. You see 345, 234. I want you to see how it trades. Okay, I'm going to show you based on other people's account also. So this is currently a prop firm account, a $10,000 prop firm account. And you could see the same profit I made on my Naira account is what I'm currently having here also. Okay. And then you could see the little profit is made, and you could see the loss, 2.575 loss. So it's not like it's a kind of a robot that insists that, hey, stop loss must be very high or this. No, it trades with precision. All right. So I just need you guys to understand that this robot has been trained. Like, we have used strategies of time past, experiences of time past robots that we must have used in the past. We've studied and to create this kind of robot that trades with proper understanding, knowing when to get out of the market, even in a ranging market. You could see how rough the market is, right? You would also see what's happening in some people's USC accounts. You could see here 10 USC, 13 USC. Then look at the one that went in loss, just 13 USC. But on a norms, the way this robot trades, when it hits a TP should be about 200 and something. You could see some TPs here, right? This is how the TPs of this robot trades. You could see some TPs. So, but when the market is ranging, these are the kind of things we see. Sometimes little profit, sometimes little losses, right? This is when you know the market is ranging. Why am I showing you this, guys? I'm showing you so you could understand that the percentage of this robot blowing your account is very little or nothing. I want you to see for yourself how this robot trades. So it's currently on a trade on this account. I think it must have found a trade right now. Let's see what is currently working on. Okay, so you could see it caught a trade here and it's currently trading. All right, So even if this particular trade, you could see the same profit that other accounts had, this one has it too. Remember what I always tell you guys, that everybody connected to this robot makes profit at the same time, or when there's a loss, we make losses at the same time. So I need you to understand that this robot, it has been configured to trade and trade well, both in trending times and in ranging times. All right. So you need to understand that even if the market is ranging, don't be afraid to get connected. Okay, guys, I still have four more slots for you to join freely this month. Get connected today, and I'll see you on the next video. For the meantime, stay safe and keep winning.